explore the differences between direct and inverse variation. So direct variation you're used to, it's basically proportions. A quotient equals a quotient. So you have something like x over y equals x over y. We'll put 1's over here, we'll put 2's over here just to denote that, the value of x here goes with the value of y here, and that x goes with the y over here. So you cross multiply, you solve, and usually you're given 3 values, you need to find the 4th value. That's pretty easy, cross multiply and solve the proportion. With inverse variation, the product equals the product, so you'll get usually 3 quantities, find the 4th. So we'll put 1's here, and we'll put 2's over here. Fix that too. There we go. And basically, you will divide both sides to find the missing value. Let's take a look at an example. If x varies inversely as y, and x equals 12 when y equals 3, we'll put 1's over here. What is the value of x when y equals 9? So these would be 2's over here. So basically, it'll be xy equals xy, and we'll just plug in and solve. It's a very simple problems. 12 times 3 equals 9 times x. Divide both sides by 9. By the way, 12 times 3 is 36. 36 divided by 9 is 4. So the answer is 4 right over there. The key is to see the wording varies inversely or is inversely proportional. Anything with the word inverse or inversely, you will know that you need to use product equals product. So here we have, instead of x's and y's, we have d and t. So we have dt equals dt. We'll make this 1's, we'll make this the 2's. 1, 1, 2, 2. And as you can see, we just have 20 times 2, which is 40, equals negative 5t. Divide both sides by negative 5, and t equals negative 8. Very simple. So here we have A and R. We have the wording inversely proportional. So we have 1, 1 here, 2. See A and R. When A equals 100, what is the value? Okay, let's just start over with this one. So R is inversely proportional to A, and R equals 4 when A equals 100. There we go. So the 1 goes here and the 1 goes here, not there. What is the value of R when A equals 250? So we put the 2's over there. And basically we have A times R equals A times R. So it's 4 times 100 equals R times 250. So we have 400 equals 250R. Divide both sides by 250. And we have 40 over 25. And I don't feel like using a calculator, so I'll just reduce this by a factor of 5. So we have 8/5, right, which is over 1. It's way too big. That's under 1. That's 10. The answer must be 1.6. Check that in the calculator if you want. And number 4, we have P equals 10. Again, the wording varies inversely. P equals 10 when Q equals 3/2. What is the value of P when Q equals 3/5? So we have 10 times 3/2 equals 3/5 times P. Well, let's multiply straight across. We have 15 equals 3/5 P. I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal 3/5, which is 5/3, and multiply this by 5/3. That cancels that out, and now we have P solved. 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 5 times 5 is 25. There we go. And 2 more to go. If P and Q vary inversely, and P is 25 when Q is 6, determine Q when P is equal to 30. So we have 25 times 6 equals 30 times Q. You have 6 quarters in your hand. That's $1.50. And sorry for the ugly 0. There we go. Divide both sides by 30. And as you can see, the answer is 5. Last one. Given a set of rectangles, the length is inversely proportional to the width. Inversely proportional to the width. In one of these rectangles, the length is 12 and the width is 6. So here we have length is 12, width is 6. For the set of rectangles, calculate the width of a rectangle whose length is 9. So we have a shorter length is 9. We want to calculate the width. So just like before, we multiply 6 times 12 equals 9 times W. That's 72 equals 9W. Divide both sides by 9, and W equals 8. There we go. And that is your very simple lesson on inverse variation and how it differs from direct variation. Good luck to you.